Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving in to discuss these two sensational hair straighteners, the Dyson Coral and the Philips hair straightening brush. Now, the title might be suggesting a straight line comparison between these two, but let's get real. There's a whopping difference of rupees 20,000. Therefore, comparing them would be unfair. This video is for anyone who have been saving up for a straightener and maybe unsure about which model to pick. Maybe you just need some clarity regarding the features these products deliver. My goal is to provide unfiltered, unbiased feedback on these two and for you to judge. Starting with Philips hair straightening brush, because she is the firstborn in my styling vanity. It comes with two heat settings along with a 360-degree swivel cord, which makes it very easy to handle. Plus, it's really lightweight. She takes around 50 seconds to heat up, and its wide flat brush helps you section more portion of your hair, which speeds up the straightening process. For the keratin bristles, you will see how smoothly it glides over your hair, taking much less time than a regular flat iron-in range. Essentially, a straightening brush gives you a natural blow-dried look. Now we come to the real tea, the drawbacks. One thing I've noticed is that it gives off a burning smell of your hair every time you apply some sort of pre-styling product, especially if it's cream-based, and I find it very off-putting. It can be a bit challenging to get your roots done using this straightening brush. Could be because of the chunky design. So for a curly hair girly, it can get very difficult to get your roots done using a brush straightener or maybe just the straightener. And lastly, this brush pad gets heated up very hard. So you better be careful every time you use it, or it might accidentally burn your scalp or your hands, okay? You have to be very careful while using this. So to sum up, the hair straightening brush by Philips retails for rupees 2,700 on Amazon, and you will not find this model on their website because they have come up with the latest launch with a lot more improvements and features. But in my humble opinion, if you're looking for a fuss-free, easy-to-use straightener under budget, you cannot go wrong with this one. Speaking of new launches, let's get started with Dyson Coral. This is their cordless hair straightener that comes with 3 heat settings. It makes a ding sound for you to know when it's ready to be used. Coral has copper-plated flexing plates that claims to cause less heat damage on the hair. You can also get pretty curls done using this with solid hold. That is a pro for any flat iron straightener, right? They are versatile. Coral comes with an inbuilt airplane mode, which ensures that this device is safe for air travel as it meets all the airline requirements. Now let's list the cons. It is heavy. I mean, you keep using this every day, you might start to develop biceps, and I'm not so sure if it's a con. Like if you're carrying this in your handbag, which you're supposed to because it's travel friendly and portable, well, I would like to congratulate you on your new muscles. If you have been looking forward to get this one, I don't think you're gonna like the next con. The battery drains quick. Like I once started to curl my hair with this, 30 minutes in and it was drained. Of course, you can use the straightener with the charger plugged in, but that kind of beats the purpose of it being portable. I mean, imagine being in an Uber, styling your hair and the battery ran out. That would be it for the cons, because I couldn't really find any more flaws in this. The Dyson Coral retails for rupees 26,000 on the Dyson website and their stores. It is also available on Amazon. I will be linking both the straighteners in my description box for you to check them out. I hope all this information helps you pick the right straightener for yourself. Now hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let us know in the comment section which product impressed you the most. And if you have anything else on your mind for me to maybe review or check out, drop it in the comments. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.